Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video we see surface modeling commands in SolidWorks tool. So this is a SolidWorks workbench. Now where we can see surface modeling commands is here. You can check see surfaces tab here. This is feature tab. In this all feature modeling commands like extrude cut, revolve cut related to part modeling, sketch related to 2D sketch. Then here surfaces. If you won't find surfaces, then simply right click on this tab. You can select surfaces here. See, again I select, it is checked out now. It's checked out. Then see, select surfaces. Here we have a surface window toolbar and we can see all the options here. Now I go to sketch. I create one, a 2D sketch. See, for a surface you can either select open profile or closed profile. I take one spline. Then first option is extruded surface. Select that command and select profile and give here width. I want 20 mm width. Both sides I want 20 mm. Select midplane. See 40. Then it shares 20. 60. See, it generates surface to that profile. You can select either open profile or closed profile. Then see, surface hasn't got any thickness, 0 thickness. To add thickness, that means that to add some material for the surface, then here we have thicken. Select this thicken option and select the surface. Then whatever the thickness you require, you just enter 5 mm thickness. See, like this. So you have to select a surface and give some thickness. I go back. This is the surface. So options in surface modeling. See, I want to generate another surface to this edge. Then the command is select ruled surface. See, first we have seen extruded surface. Next, see, if you want to add a surface from this edge and another surface from this edge, then select command ruled surface, then select the edge. Then here you can give distance. I want 30 mm distance, 50. You can reverse the direction. See here, ruled surface. Again I select this edge, reverse direction, 100. This is the command ruled surface. You can select the edge and you will get a surface with some distance. See, to edit again, select that option on navigator, edit feature. See here, tangent to vector. Normal to surface means it will be perpendicular to that surface. Then tangent to surface. Then you will get a surface tangent to this surface. Now it has three. Now this has a 3 surfaces. Now if you select thick surface, you can thicken this. See, select this, select this. See, only one time, one surface at a time. See, there are 3 surfaces. If I go for OK, see, only this surface added thickness. All the 3 surfaces I need to add thickness at a time. Then the next option is knit surface. Nothing but it joins number of surfaces into single surface. Select knit surface, surface 1, 2, 3. Go for OK. Now go for thicken. See here now. So all the 3 surfaces given thickness. So once you add surface at last, before adding thickness, you need to join surface by selecting this option, knit surface. I go back. In the same way, see, I delete this knit surface. See, there I deleted knit surface. There are 3 surfaces. Now, in the same way, here we have fillet option. The same fillet option we see in features, in part modeling. So what does this do means it adds corner to the sharp edges with some radius. So in this case, see, this surface has a sharp edge. If you want to add some radius, if you want to give some radius, then go for fillet option. If you select a fillet, and if you see I selected the edge but 10 mm radius, but it is not formed, it is showing error because we have to join. So to use this option fillet, before using this option you have to join surfaces by using knit. Select that surface 1 2 3, then go for OK. Now the next option is fillet with some radius. Select this edge and also this edge, 10 mm radius, let it be 10 mm. Now you can see fillet now added because it is acting as a single surface. Next, offset surface, as the name indicates, offset, nothing but select surface. See here 10 mm, I want some 5 mm in outside, then you will get a surface with some offset distance, a surface formed with some offset distance. I edit this again, give some value 10 mm. Now you can select multi surfaces, see, like this, because this is joined. As the surfaces are joined, the offset surface are also together created with some distance, the given distance. See, if I delete this, I delete offset surface, I also delete fillet, also delete this knit surface, that means a joint surface. And now these three surfaces are free, it is not a single surface. Then if I apply offset surface, see here, reverse, then you will get a offset surface like this. So for using offset surface also, before using this command offset surface, you have to join. Then offset surface we have seen, planar surface. What does this do means, see, you have to select two edges, planar surface. See, I select this edge and this edge, nothing but a surface is formed joining two edges. Then after that you can use a knit surface so that this becomes single surface. Planar surface, we have seen you have to select two edges. Then filled surface, as the name indicates, a surface is filled to the selected boundary. For that you have to create a profile, a sketch. So go to sketch, I go to sketch, got into sketcher, it should be closed profile, no extensions like this. Surfaces, then fill surface, just simply select profile, a surface is added between the profile, around the inside boundary. Then next I want to make a hole to the surface. Go to sketch, select surface, create a circle. See, I want to create a hole on this surface. For that I have created a circle. Then go to surfaces. Next option is trim surface. Select trim surface, trim tool. You have to select circle, surface, this one. Now you can see a hole formed on that surface. untrimmed surface, select this surface, then select OK. Nothing but if any gaps, holes or any cuts, slots, it will be filled. Then I go back. For a trim surface, you need to create a profile and the surface. Next option, extend surface. Select this option. Select edge, nothing but simply it extends from that edge. See, in previous case also we have selected one command like a planar surface. If you select planar surface, not planar surface you have to select two edges. Ruled surface. See here, ruled surface, tangent to the surface. See, normal to the surface, you will get a perpendicular to the surface. Like this. Extend surface. See, it maintains the same form. I want 30 mm extension. See, this edge maintain the same angle and this edge maintain the same angle. This is a use of extend surface. Next, revolve surface. Say I go to new file for revolved surface. Revolved surface, it requires one profile and axis. Select revolve surface, select profile, and automatically it has taken axis. This is revolve surface. See. You can also thicken this surface 0.25 inch. I delete this. Nothing but revolve surfaces, it adds surface by revolving around axis. I delete thicken. Now, swept surface. I go for new file. For swept surface, you need to select a path and a profile. First I select a path or guide curve. This acts as a guide curve. And take a plane normal to the guide curve. Select that guide curve, this point. Now select this plane, go to sketch. I create one open profile. Go to swept surface, select profile, select path. Nothing but it adds surface along the path. This is swept surface. We see these commands in part modeling also. In the same way, lofted surface, it adds surface between two different profiles. See, for this, in a new file, select plane, create a profile. Take another plane at some distance. 200 mm distance I have taken a plane. Go for lofted surface. select profile 1, profile 2, see here, then go for OK. But this is not in a form. One side a rectangular shape and another side is a triangular shape, but here it is not in a correct form. So to get in a correct form, we have to take guide curves. How to take guide curves means you have to connect these two profiles with lines. So in sketch you have to go to 3D sketch, not 2D sketch. We have to create lines in 3D itself. In 2D you can't connect this point to this point with a line. Then go for 3D sketch, select line. This is one sketch. After that you have to exit this workbench, 3D sketch workbench, check out again, line, exit, again another line. So 3 guide curves. Now go to surfaces, lofted surfaces, profile 1, profile 2. Now guide curves, in guide curves column select sketch 1, this one, then select here second guide curve and third guide curve, see here. 3 we have selected, 3 guide curves we have selected. Edit sketch, not edit sketch, edit feature. So for this take another guide curve, edit feature, see guide curve not selected, only one got selected, another one, move this point, yes. Once again I select lofted surface, profile 1, profile 2, guide curves, sketch 1, sketch 2, there are 3 sketches. Sketch 1 is this one, sketch 2 is this one, this is sketch 1, sketch 2, this something wrong in the sketch, go to edit sketch, okay, 2 profiles in the same sketch, delete this, okay, here is a mistake, then I again go to 3D sketch, now 3 guide curves and 2 profiles. These are all 3 guide curves, 2 profiles, 1 and 2. Now go to surfaces, lofted surface, profile 1, profile 2. Next in guide curves, sketch 1, sketch 2, sketch 3. Now exactly got selected, see here. So loft surface, it adds surface between 2 different profiles. Here one rectangular profile and another triangular profile. Now delete face, see you have to select a part for this delete face. See if you select delete face, see you will getting error. In this case what I do is I go for a new part for that command. Go to surfaces, delete surface. Now see, I select this surface, this surface, this surface and this surface on a part body. Then I select OK. Now see, this part body first it is converted into surface and the surfaces and the faces which we have selected got deleted. Okay. Now this becomes surface. See, this is surface. You can apply. I select planar surface and I selected these two edges. Then you can see surfaces. So this is a delete face. Then I go for a new file. Then cut with the surface. For this also, first we should select a body. Go to sketch. Then for that command we have to select both a part as well as surface. So for that, on that surface I create one profile. Extrude surface. Surface, extrude surface. Then cut with surface. Select surface. Then see, up to that surface a part has been cut. So these are the surface commands where we use in SolidWorks. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe Imperial CAD System.